Pasibayo lang pepakit talento at creativity ding talapagobra karimiyayaliwang regional government agencies keti Central Luzon, anyang Biyernes November 17. Walo lang ahensya rin Mikyabeki Lantern Making Contest sa parti na pamuri ng Giant Lantern Festival 2023 activities. Kalupan na ng Interagency Facade Christmas Decoration Competition, makatukiya naman ang ligligan parul kin temang Anti-Violence Against Women and Children theme. Kayabay ka ring agency sa Mikyabekin Lantern Making Contest in Bureau of Fire Protection, Cooperative Development Authority, Department of Education, Department of Science and Technology, National Housing Authority, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, ampong Department of the Interior Local Government. Kaya kalan ka ring participants, ginamit lang recycled materials. Ikwa na ng NHA first place in lantern making competition. First runner-up naman ng Cooperative Development Authority at second runner-up yung BJMP. Nidinala naman special awards ng Miyayaliwang Parul Abipaslag. Bukod naman kay Ligang Parul, pepakit la naman galingan king Interagency Dance Competition ding empleyado da rin Siama Regional Government Agency at talaga namang kebiliban daring MNLB at organizers.
Bilib ko, dininan din talagang panahon hanggang magobrala kahit ang Monday to Friday, may kapag-practice lang masalese. Gana-gana, biyasa la at mag-perform lang masalese.
Sampo yun yung kintera ka ng Bureau of Fire Protection Region 3, second place naman ng DILG Region 3, kabang third place ay DepEd Central Luzon. Salamat naman ng Giant Lantern Festival Committee ka ring ahensyang Mikyabe.
Thank you very much karen participants ne. Gana-gana actually consider talang winners. Muling mga santing laren parul at biyasa lang tinera karen participants. At deng decorations da sabi napin may sala yung Pasibayo in Government Center. Sana kayong Pasibayo dakala pa rin Makyabe balong-lalong saya in Government Center.
Antabayanan lamo naman kanureng aliwa pang aktibidad na karelang inadya bayo pa yung December 16. Ang main competition at pamagumpisa na ng Giant Lantern Festival proper.
Yes, at intamong inter-village competition, at intamo rin inter-school competition. Dakala pang activities sa Makalinya, ngayon November hanggang December. Before itang mismong festival December 16, dakalang Makalinyang activities ng Giant Lantern Festival 2023.
Ayal benyang living Giant Lantern Festival 2023 King Robinson Star Mills kin December 16 alas 6 ning bengi. Nung ngayon kami punta king venue, pwede yung albenking CLTV 36. Kaya bay Johnny Coronel, yakoy kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.